is Rock. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a flamingo. But for my flamingo drawing, I'm going to turn my sketchbook this way so that it's vertical in front of me. And I'm going to be using a pencil today so that I can erase some lines if I need to. I'm going to start off with the body of my flamingo, and it is like one big sideways teardrop. And then I'm going to make a curve, kind of like an S shape, to make the long neck of my flamingo. And I'm going to curve the head around like that, and then follow the curve of the neck back down to the body. And then I can erase this line in here. Next is the beak, and the beak is kind of like a long banana shape that comes down and back up again. And I'm going to add a line in the middle here and make a curve on the tip of the beak that comes up and back down. I'm going to give my flamingo an eye. To give it a little personality, you can always add a pupil. Next is the wing, and the wing is going to kind of curve up, and I add some of these little feathers in here just to give it a little bit of texture. Now everyone knows those long flamingo legs. I'm going to have one leg coming straight down, and I'm going to add its little flipper down here. I just simplify it and make it a triangle shape. And it's got kind of a knobby knee that sticks out to one side, so I just create a small little semicircle there. And then I'm going to turn this part into a triangle shape here, just by adding two lines. And then I can erase that line in the middle. For my second leg, it's going to be sticking out this way, and then coming straight across. We're going to add in the little flipper here, little triangle shape. Mine's kind of curving down a little bit, relaxed. And add in that little knobby knee. And again, we're going to turn this line here into a triangle shape, just by adding two lines and then erasing that little line in the middle. Now I can outline with my black marker. Now I'm going to add some color. And there we go. There's my fun little summertime pink flamingo. The end.